Here are some tips you keep in mind while optimizing your conversion rate optimization. Number 1. Understand what conversion rate optimization is and what it can do for your online business. Number 2. Set a clear goal for your conversion rate optimization efforts, and make sure everyone on your team knows it. Number 3. Know your audience inside out, their needs, pain points, and how they behave online. Number 4. Test every change you make, no matter how small, should be tested before being implemented. Number 5. Don't rely on gut feeling, let data guide your decisions. Number 6. Always consider the entire user experience when making changes to your website or landing pages. Number 7. Be patient. Conversion rate optimization is a long-term game, and results often take time to show. Number 8. Don't give up too soon, even small improvements can impact your bottom line. Number 9. Make sure you're analyzing the right data and have a solid plan before making any changes. Number 10. Monitor your results regularly, and adjust your plan accordingly. Number 11. Avoid making drastic changes. Small, incremental changes are usually more effective. Number 12. Always A/B test your changes before implementing them. Number 13. Be consistent with your conversion rate optimization efforts. Regular testing and optimization are key to success. Number 14. Avoid making assumptions. Always test your hypotheses before making any changes. Number 15. Conversion rate optimization can be complex. If you're unsure what you're doing, seek help from experts. Number 16. Be persistent. Conversion rate optimization is an ongoing process, and you need to be prepared for the long haul. Number 17. Stick to the basics. There are tried and true conversion rate optimization principles that have been proven to work repeatedly. Number 18. Make sure your website is mobile friendly. More and more people are using their smartphones and tablets to browse the web, so it's important to ensure your site is optimized for mobile devices. Number 19. Use pop-ups wisely. Pop-ups can be effective conversion rate optimization tools, but it is used carefully to avoid annoying users. Following these simple tips, you can avoid common conversion rate optimization mistakes.